welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for joining us, and hopefully you will be interested in subscribing and joining the Lux fam. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. In this channel, we talk about all things beauty, lifestyle, travel, all things on a budget. So if you're into any or all of those, definitely consider subscribing, hitting that post notification bell, and liking this video. This is Vlogmas Day 2. Today's actually December the 2nd, and what we're gonna be doing today is just working on these nails, honey. My nails actually look atrocious. If you watched Vlogmas Day 1, if you watched that video, then you would have seen how my nails are. So let's just go ahead and start working on those. I actually picked these up because of the TikTok nail trend with these like squiggles and cute little design. I've used these before. So I got a pack of 24 press-on nails from Shein.com. If you want to achieve that TikTok trendy nail look, you can do that on a budget. These nails, I got 24 of them for $2.50 from Shein, and they have hella nails. Lots of different designs and patterns. So let me just stop rambling and go ahead and get into doing these nails. I want you guys to watch me as I do them, just in case you're not really familiar or you really don't know how to make your nails last a long time, how to make them look good. I'm gonna show you how today, so stay tuned for that.
Spider, sex, yeah, yeah, yeah. You gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jim Millis, but I had switched the motor. I got a badass bitch running around this bitch, they all the coders. Yeah, I just told her make a story. I just bought all the Trojans. Yeah, I told her style my knee. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Rick. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and I went in trying it. I told her she gotta run to the team before she can toss to the lid. Yeah. I just pulled up in some food. I told her mama all my shoes. Showed her 2 million cash that she woozing. 20 watches and I'm still choosing. I had came up out the trenches, then I had beat a few bodies like Boosie. She said you Merkle, my show you my Gucci. I had to say to the stuff like LOTION. She must be fucking with Ghana. I fuck with slacks and we 20 E-Racks and I came with some fucking piranhas. Bitch got a backwood on her nightstand, she must be fucking with Ghana. I fuck with slacks and we 20 E-Racks and I came with some fucking piranhas. Somebody grow me a tree. Came out the hood in my truck, got a hood neck. I got the car with no keys. Beat it, she for the street, nee. Only one she got hit at the street, nee. I feel a little rich this week. Influence my family to not be cheap. I told the airplane on me. Car need just a Glock key. 260, you can see. We rolling that coupe with a bucket seat. Got it up like a football cleat. I use a drop out of that photo key. Turn up the plug and he know what I need. Stay underneath so we hardly speak. Yeah, I'm in New York counting money. Yeah. I'm in, but I'm stunning, yeah. Wanna live, I wanna love me, yeah. My wife in no love it up, yeah. Bitch had an X stain on her jeans, I know she fucking with them. I fuck with slacks and we gonna E-Racks and I came with some fucking piranhas. She must be fucking with Ghana. I fuck with slacks and we 20 E-Racks and I came with some fucking piranhas. love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burning. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to feel your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar. Some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar.
Wait, what's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth.
Hey, yeah, I got one lawyer, got one in that day, the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted to stop home, it's me, the house, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, BC handed it off, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in no pen, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's your time my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers. Hey, hey, yeah, but I guess they must have their reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Watch me going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping off high, used to sleep at your crib. Should drive by right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long, probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call it.
Alright, you guys, so we're done with the nails. I really hope that the video showing how I do my nails from beginning to end is helpful for you guys. You can already see how much better my hands look. The last step is, of course, putting on lotion so that your hands and cuticles look healthy and shiny and beautiful. That makes such a big difference. So let me show you guys the finished product. Saturday, I'm flying out to New Orleans, and I figured, hey, how can I save some money a little bit and still be cute for the trip, not have to be running around trying to get my nails done and things for the vacation. And press-on nails were at the top of my list. Usually my press-on nails last me about 5 to 7 days. So since I did them today, Thursday, they should last me at least until like next Monday or Tuesday before they all get weak. Now one might pop off depending on if I placed it right or if I use enough glue, but typically if it pops off, I have my glue with me. I brush on some more glue and I put the nail back on. So make sure if you lose one, you don't just like walk away in shame. Like, go ahead and pick it up, hun. Go ahead and keep it. So like an hour or a few minutes later, you can just go ahead and glue it right back on and you have a full set. I love these because they're the trendy coffin shape and they have that nice little design, so I don't actually have to pay someone to design each nail. Typically nails with this shape, length, and design would run someone between $100 and $200, maybe even more. But again, these were only $2.50. I got the glue from Dollar Tree, the nails from Shein.com. The nails did come with those little stickies that you saw, so you could actually just use stickies to put the nails on, but I wouldn't advise that. I've tried that before, and the nail actually kind of sits up, and it doesn't blend with the cuticle as well as these do. It sits up a little, so there's like a little space in between, which I didn't like. And of course it doesn't last nearly as long as the glue does. So those are just my tips. Grab the glue at Dollar Tree. It doesn't have to be $5 glue or expensive glue. It doesn't matter how much you spend on the glue. They all pretty much work the same. You just have to figure out which one works best for you. You can save money during Christmas time, during the holiday time, just by simply cutting back on your nails. If you save that $100 to $200 that you spend on your nails a week or every other week, that could go towards Christmas decorations, Christmas gifts, to others, Christmas gifts to yourself. So keep that in mind, you guys. Save your coins during Christmas, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this type of content, if you like this video, if you like my channel, if you like my face, like whatever the case may be. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I will be posting very consistently. I'm not sure about every single day this December, but I will be posting very consistent. So definitely make sure you're subscribed and have your post notification bell on for that. Shop theluxurycollection.com for these lashes, honey, and for this lip gloss. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.